Hello everyone. So today I am going to discuss about a topic which is what is the one lie people commonly tell themselves. Actually it's a very rare question, and when we think about this question, so we can easily get to know about the one lie which we are a kind of procrastinator person. We often procrastinate and we often make excuses for our better future. We think like we have so many years to make a good for that. So the time is right now. It's not a appropriate time to start for my better future. For that, we procrastinate. That is the lie we often tell to ourselves, to our satisfaction. To make ourselves satisfied, we said to ourselves, my past was not right, that's why I didn't do anything for my future. But it was not right. We blame others. They were the reason for that I didn't do anything. But really, do you think about they were that reason for your flood's life? No, they were not the reason, because as we are human beings, we have so many problems. So the problem is not only with yourself, the same problem everyone has been having. So it doesn't mean they are not doing anything. There are so many people out there. They have burden of enormous problem. Still they are ready to do for their future, because they know it is never going to end. No matter how much hard work you do, you will never going to complete that. You will never going to stop that criticism, that demolish. No, it is not going to come. For that, if you are procrastinating, the right now people are not good to me, so that I should start later. So you should to know about that. In your future, the same people is about to come, and the same people will exploit you. You will get exploited by that person. So they are the part of life. You have to just get to know how to deal with that people. If you have that capability to hold on your feelings, if you have that capability to not to lie yourself, means you have to be a very enthusiastic person. You have to always keep it in your mind. No, now I don't have to lie, because the lie which I am telling to myself about I will start later, it is not about to come. You will never going to start later, because the same happened with me. Even the same is happening with so many people out there. I get to know from many people, they shared about their story. It was the same. It's mean you should start to tell truth to yourself, and you should start to accept your reality. Means whatever happened in your past, it was not for others. No one did that with you. It was that happened just because of your reason, just because of you were not capable. You were not that much capitalistic person. You were not that much strength you have. You could not handle both things together. But right now I think now I know I'm not lying to myself. Now I know that was the reason. That was the reason I lied to myself. No one did anything to me. No one was that reason. I was the one who procrastinated, who made excuses. So yeah, thank you.